Winter is coming.
Winter is coming.
And I'm going to tell you some uniquely Japanese winter insights you need to know before traveling to Japan, and one big warning. As Japan continues to go through big changes and tourism has finally returned, surpassing pre-pandemic levels, there are new, unique experiences opening this winter for you lucky tourists. So keep on watching for essential tips, important things you need to know before you go, recommended attractions, and things you shouldn't miss in Japan's winter season. Japan can start to feel quite cold around December until the end of February and into the start of March, especially in northern areas like Hokkaido, which are known for heavy snowfall. Whilst the southern regions are less cold, the islands of Okinawa are relatively mild. So packing for a trip to Japan in the winter is quite dependent on the itinerary and what area you will be visiting. If heading north or into the mountains, then you'll need to prepare for snow and pack warm clothing, including a heavy coat, sweaters, thermal wear, and waterproof boots. Don't forget accessories like gloves, scarves, and hats. But as a majority of you tourists will likely stick to the Kansai and the Kanto regions, my advice is to layer it up. Cities like Tokyo can get cold at night, whilst during the daytime, layers and jackets is what will do the trick. Always keep an eye on the weather forecast, and there's Uniqlo if you need some added thermals. When it comes to accommodation, book early. Winter is a popular season for tourists, particularly at ski resorts. So if skiing is your thing, then book your accommodation well in advance. And my tip here is to consider staying in a ryokan, a traditional inn, for an authentic experience, especially in an onsen hot spring town. The crispy cold air and the hot water make for an incredibly unique Japanese experience, especially in the snow. But I'm aware that tattoos are often not permitted in onsens, so here are some tips if you have tattoos. Research tattoo-friendly onsens. Some onsens are more open to guests than others. Use tattoo covers. If your tattoos are small, then consider using a waterproof tattoo cover to conceal them. Opt for a private onsen or baths, which are known as kashikiri. If they're available, they offer privacy and can be a great way of experiencing onsen. Events. Here are some specific winter things to help make the most of your trip. Winter illuminations in Japan are a significant and magical part of the winter season. These illuminations are not just for Christmas and are a broader winter season event. Winter illuminations typically begin around November and last until February or March, covering the entire winter season. I visited Ashikaga Flower Park outside of Tokyo for an incredible winter illumination display that I highly recommend. I'll be leaving a list of winter illuminations in Tokyo on my website if you want to explore more. The link is in the description. KFC for Christmas. If you want to experience a bizarrely Japanese cultural event, then celebrate Christmas the Japanese way with a special meal of fried chicken, Christmas cake, and festive treats from KFC. However, this usually needs to be reserved in advance, but it's a quirky way to celebrate the festive season. This tradition has a way of showcasing how Japan always has a way of making something its own. If visiting around New Year's period, then Fukubukuro, known as lucky bags, is central to New Year's sales in Japan. Stores sell sealed bags filled with a variety of products at a substantial discount. The contents of the bag are often a mystery until opened, which adds to the element of surprise and excitement. But the value of the items inside usually exceed the price of the bag. This is something I highly recommend you research and check out. I've never been disappointed. If visiting in February, then don't miss the Sapporo Snow Festival in Hokkaido. The Sapporo Snow Festival in 2024 will be held from February the 4th till the 11th. It's renowned for its stunning snow and ice sculptures. This really is a unique experience in the heart of Hokkaido in Japan. And when it comes to food, Japan is very seasonal, which is why you should not miss out on Japan's winter foods. So here are 5 of my suggestions to try. Nabe, or hot pot, is a popular Japanese dish consisting of a variety of ingredients like meat, seafood, vegetables, and tofu cooked in a flavorful broth. Common types include my personal favorite, which is shabu shabu and sukiyaki. Oden, another comforting winter stew with ingredients like boiled eggs, daikon radish, konnyaku, and fish cakes, simmered in a soy-flavored dashi broth. Yakimo, or roasted sweet potatoes, is a simple yet delicious snack. Yakimo is a roasted Japanese sweet potato known for its natural sweetness and warmth. Kani, or crab. In winter, it's the best season for crab in Japan, so there are so many crab dishes, they're so popular. And my number 5 is amazake, which is a sweet, low alcohol drink made from fermented rice, often consumed around the New Year's celebrations for its warming properties. It always hits a spot on a cold day. Just a side note, I'm going to ask you to subscribe and like the video. It will help the channel grow and also help me continue making more videos like these. Anyway, back to the video. As for new up-and-coming attractions, Japan is always adding new exciting tourist attractions, and I'm really excited for these myself. Team Lab Borderless returns. It closed down in 2022 and is reopening at Azabudai Hills in Tokyo. It's set to reopen in January 2024, featuring many of the original popular installations, and it will also include new rooms too. I can't wait. Toyosu Senkyaku Burrai is set to open at the start of February 2024, and I am really excited for this one. It's a 24-hour Edo-themed onsen spa complex featuring a multi-story shopping and entertainment hub inspired by the streets of Edo, Japan. It consists of two main sections, the commercial wing and a super center or a public bathhouse. The bathhouse section extends over 9 floors plus a basement, offering an open-air bath with water sourced from the Hakone Yagowada hot springs, and also features a panoramic footbath garden with 360-degree views of the waterfront. This is gonna be so popular. Immersive Fort Tokyo. Not quite winter, but opening in spring 2024, this attraction might make you want to extend your stay. This is the world's first immersive theme park, and it's an innovative entertainment venue located in the Odaiba area of Tokyo, taking up the space of the former Venus Fort shopping mall. The theme park will feature 12 experimental attractions, all centered around immersive theater, offering a highly physical and sensory experience that will allow visitors to actively participate in the story, narratives, and events. This is going to be so wow. Exciting, right? Well, traveling to Japan right now is even more attractive as the yen has fallen to a new low, making Japan, typically known as an expensive destination, much more affordable for international tourists. Once you overcome the hurdle of a potentially pricey flight, the low yen means that you'll likely be at an advantage when it comes to food, accommodation, transportation, and shopping. You can enjoy a higher standard of travel or extend your stay without exceeding your budget. And don't forget that you also have access to tax-free shopping too. I always mention how pocket Wi-Fi really unlocks Japan. So if you're looking for a data SIM or pocket Wi-Fi, please consider using my affiliate link in the video description or the QR code. You'll receive a trusted product and I'll receive a small commission at no additional cost to you. And the best thing is that you'll be helping the channel out. So here is a warning and information that will be crucial to your perfect trip. Things are about to become difficult. For starters, tourism is back with a vengeance. Visitors to Japan have finally exceeded pre-pandemic levels, marking a full recovery for the first time since 2019. International flights have recovered to 80% of pre-pandemic levels, leaving even more room for tourism growth. And China continues to only be at 65% below October 2019 figures. In 2019, Chinese visitors accounted for nearly a third of all visitors and 40% of all tourist spending in Japan. With the Chinese market expected to recover, flights needing to get to capacity, and Japan having just won the prestigious title of Top Destination Worldwide in the Condé Nast Travelers 2023 Reader's Choice Awards, it seems like tourist crowds are here to stay. Therefore, my suggestion is to make sure that you add locations off the tourist trail to give you some authentic, unique experiences with less crowds. Check out my Less Visited Japan playlist for guides and first-hand inspiration to unique hidden gem areas. You also need to know that the Japan Rail Pass has also changed. Prices have increased, and therefore investing in a JR Pass might no longer be affordable for you. If you're a tourist planning to visit Japan, you should carefully consider your travel itinerary and compare the cost of individual train tickets versus a JR Pass to determine which option is a better value for your specific travel needs. So there you have it. Don't forget that a well-planned trip with insights and research will help you get the most of Japan without any nasty surprises. Over-tourism, crowds, and full bookings at hotel might sound daunting, but hopefully with a little bit of foresight and preparation, and hopefully taking my advice of adding a few lesser visited destinations, you'll be set for an amazing trip. So embrace the beauty of Japan in the winter by being well prepared and open to new experiences. Hopefully this guide will help you enjoy the unique blend of traditional and modern attractions and immerse yourself in the seasonal charm that Japan has to offer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel to help the channel grow, and for further support, check out my Patreon, donate on Super Thanks or PayPal. There's also my second channel, The Happy Gaijin, for more casual live streams and vlogs too. Till next time, stay positive and be a happy gaijin. Safe travels. Bye.